So in the last class, we talked about a few things. We talked about the abilities, what somebody can do. I can speak, she can swim. These are abilities. And you can also ask questions about the abilities. Can you sing? Can he drive a car? Can they speak French? Something like that. Okay. You're giving a statement about your ability that you can do something, and you are asking questions about somebody else's statement whether they can do something. Can you do? Can he drive? Something like that. And then we also looked at requests. How do you make requests with the word can? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can you help me with my homework? So there are things like this that you can request for. You can use the word can. And then you can also use the word can and the word not to express a few things that you are not able to do. You cannot do something. If you cannot do something, then you talk about it. You say, I cannot speak French. She cannot drive a car. But for cannot, you can also say can't, right? It's a it's a short form of the word cannot. You can say can't. He cannot swim or he can't swim. We cannot find our way home. We can't find our way home. The important thing is pronounce the last letter T very prominently. If you pronounce it very prominently, it will be clear whether you are saying it positively or negatively. If it is positive, you say, I can speak French. If it is negative, you say, I can't speak French. So the difference is the last letter T. If you pronounce it very, uh, how do you say, if you pronounce it very clearly, then the pronunciation is very clear to the audience and they will understand that you're speaking in the negative, right? I can speak, I can't speak, right? I think these are the things we looked at in the last class. Now, today we are going to go into the prepositions. When you say prepositions, these are words that come in front of another word. These words come in front of another word, right? We'll look into this. We'll see how these prepositions work and how we can use them in speech. Before that, do you want to share anything? Anybody want to share anything? Is there anything that you prepared for? If you are ready with some presentation, put your hands up. Raise your hand, please.
You mean last day homework question and answer?
Yes.
Oh, I am ready. 10 questions and answers. Can you sing an English song?
No, I can't sing English song.
Can you dance Bharatanatyam?
Yes, I can dance.
Can it runs very fast? Your cat.
Yes, it is can.
Hmm.
It can, sorry.
Can
Yes, it
oh,
can very fast.
can she speak in English?
Yes, he can speak English.
Can they clean the classroom?
Yes, they can clean the classroom.
Uh, can you finish the marathon race?
Yes, I can finish the marathon race.
Uh, uh, can the can he drive the car?
Yes, he can drive the car.
Uh, can she go with you to the cinema?
No, he can't go with my go with cinema.
Uh, Thank you. That's all.
Excuse me, can you answer my question?
Yes, I can. I can answer your questions.
Can your mobile phone take great photos?
Yes, I can. Uh, my mobile phone to
I
great.
repeat the question. Can
Oh,
your mobile phone take great photos? You understand?
no, I don't understand. Next
Okay.
question, please.
Yes. Can your doctor speak well?
Can you?
Doc, doc, doctor and mahal தானே doctor.
Oh,
Speak
oh,
well.
yes, my daughter can speak well.
Can you do homework?
Uh, yes, I can do homework. No,
Can
I
you
can't not homework.
so- can your wife cook well?
Yes, my wife can cook well. No, my wife can't cook well.
Can you dance well?
Yes, I can dance very well. No, I can't dance very well.
Okay, thank you. Your answer.
Welcome.
All right. Thank you very much, both of you. So there were a few errors or there were a few things to improve, but I didn't want to interrupt your speech. So I let both of you to speak continuously. It was a very good experience, but I will read a few words that could have been better. I'll read a few words and a few sentences that conversing, you were sharing with each other. So I'm going to read it. There somewhere you said runs. Can your cat runs or something like that? Okay, when you ask questions with can, you don't say runs. Okay, you say run. That S will not come. That S comes in places I didn't explain it to you yet. I will explain it later. And one of you, when you said your answer was like it is can. No, you say it can. Okay, it is can is a wrong usage. You don't say it is can. You can say it can. Go with me. That was a good question and answer. Can you go with me? Rather than asking, can you come with me? Can you go with me? Is a better usage. Great photos. Again, this is a nice word usage. When you say good photos, nice photos, and then great photos means you are a very good photographer. Can your mobile phone take great photos? Here, question is about your mobile phone. So this is a subject. You are not the subject. So when you say the answer, you have to say, yes, my mobile phone can take great photos. Or no, my mobile phone cannot take great photos. Or my mobile phone can't take great photos. And then this word is daughter. 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 Daughter means a female child. That is daughter, right? You have to be careful with the pronunciation. It's not easy. If you are used to some other pronunciation, then it's not easy to change it, but it's not impossible. You can change it by practice. I can't do homework. Yeah, I thought something about it and I forgot it. Sorry. And then when you say thank you answers, you say thank you for your answers. Okay, thank you for your answers. Right. That was a very good conversation.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Can your mobile phone take great photos and the கேள்விக்கு
Hmm.
yes it can ரெண்டும் சொல்லலாம் தானே?
Yes, that is also correct. Yes, you can say that.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
you're welcome.
Hi
Hello, hi,
Diana. Hi, how are you?
fine. What
Are
about
you
you?
ready? I am okay.
Okay, I can put
Okay.
I not. I ask 5 questions.
Okay.
First one is, can you practice speaking English every day?
Yes, I practice. I practice the English.
Can okay. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I drive the bike.
Can you read anything, any books?
Yes, I can read Bible.
Can you do the homework?
Yes, I can do the homework.
Can you climb trees?
Sorry, network issue.
Climb
Can
means
you climb a
Hello.
tree?
can you
Hi.
climb a tree? Can you speak many languages?
Yes, I can. uh, Only Tamil.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Can you speak English?
Yes, I can, but I can't speak fluently. I can't speak fluently.
Can you English class understand?
Yes, I can understand. Understood.
Can I bird fly?
Can I bird fly?
Can a bird fly? Can a bird fly?
Yes, it flies.
Can an elephant fly?
No, it can't fly.
Can she go to work?
Sorry,
Can she go to work?
sorry, I can't understand the question.
Okay, finish the question.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
thank you. I'll read some of these words and phrases in your conversation. First of all, how are you? என்று சொல்றேன். How will you shouldn't bite your lips. உதட்ட கடிக்க கூடாது. இப்படி வரக்கூடாது. How? வாய் இப்படி வந்து நின்று முட்டக்கூடாது. How? How are you? Can என்று கேள்வி கேட்டா can என்று பதில் வரும். Right? Say for example, can you ride a bike? I ride a bike என்றா அந்த பதில்ல உங்களுக்கு முடியுமா முடியாதாங்கிறத பற்றி சொல்லல. So you have to say I can ride a bike. Can you climb a tree? That means can you go up on a tree, right? I can speak only Tamil, but I can't speak fluently. So you are saying you can speak English, but not very fluently, not very good. You're good at English, but you are not very good at English. That's what you are saying. I can speak English, but I can't speak fluently. Can you understand the English class? Yes, I can understand. Can a bird fly? Yes, it can fly. Can an elephant fly? No, it can't fly. Can she go to work? Yes, she can go to work. No, she cannot go to work. Or no, she can't go to work.